Alright, this I just did one melody block of melodies out of a file. I had about half of them done. So this is the second half. I'm gonna play the last melody and slash song from the last block, so you know that they're together. And this is the last one.
Everything you want me to do, and
that's where the last block left off. Okay, Rainmaker original. So now I'm gonna go through these. The pitch changes. The pitch changes it. Goes up a little bit there. Down a little bit there. Changing pitch like that in melodies is also what makes that melody better, the best it can be. If you didn't do that, the melody wouldn't sound nowhere near as good. Okay, it would have one flat, sound. So that's why I do that. And I just wanted you to be aware that the pitch was changing, and it changes in almost all of my melodies.
Anything you want me to, I will do, girl. All just for you, baby girl. I do need you here in my world, and I know it didn't, 'cause you are my special girl, and I need you here with me.
You can hear it in the words too, where the pitch changes.
Rainmaker original, it's not that.
Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Let me try to do it without changing the pitch. Oh, 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 I can't, it's hard. Anyways, Rainmaker original.
Anything you need me to
I already did that one. Pitch is changing in that one slightly too. Anything you want me to, baby girl, I'll do. Anything you want me to do, girl, you know I'll do for you. Yes, girl, you know it's true. Baby girl, baby girl, I do need you here by my side. Need you here in my life every day and night. Yes, girl, you know that's right. Dun 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 dun. That's I might not put that second. Might just leave it to one. Either like that or add the second. Rainmaker original. This is my whistles are some of my favorites. This right here is one of my favorite whistles. It's a Rainmaker original, and I love it. It's simple, but it is really catchy, and I love it. I knew you could hear that pitch change. That's the higher pitch. lower pitch.
And anything you want me to do, baby girl, for you I will do. I need you right here in my life, and about that I don't have to think twice. I need you so very, so desperately, girl. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you, girl.
Rainmaker original. Rainmaker original.
Baby girl, I'll be there for you with everything you want me to do. I'll be there all for you. Yes, I will. Anything you need from me, I got you. Oh, baby, I got you. You got me. Anything in this world, baby, I'll do it all for you. Happy things are so happy, baby girl. I love you. You love me. I need you right here with me. You do, 'cause baby, you do excite me. Yes, you do. Yes, baby. I love you and you love me. I need you. We think we are just destined to be. Feel so happy.
Da-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na, na-na-na-na. Da-na-na, da-na-na. Baby girl, I want you with me. Yeah, my pitch is off there. You get it, Rainmaker original. This is a short one, Baby Baby. I don't know if I could actually turn this one into a whole song, but it's really catchy and I like the melody. So I'm gonna play a little bit that I did.
Baby, baby, all I do is just sit and think of you. Baby, baby, and I know that you are the one I choose. Baby, baby, I love you when I know you feel it too. Baby, baby, girl, I do. Yes, I do really love you. Baby, baby, I need you right here by my side. Baby, baby, every day and every night. Baby, baby, you're the one. Now it's time to have some fun. Baby, baby, I need you right here with me. Baby, baby, I love you and I know that you love too. Baby, baby, so please tell me that you do. Baby, baby, I love you and I know you feel it too. Baby, baby, so please do tell me that you do. Baby, baby, I need you right here by my side. Baby, baby, every day, just like air to survive. Baby, baby, you're the one.
I like it.
Now it's time to have some fun. Baby, baby.
Rainmaker original.
Right here, girl. All I love time, girl. And thank you ever want me to, baby girl, I'll do. I be you're everything, girl. I give you the world. I would do anything for you, best baby. It's true. I would do anything you want. Yes, baby, get gone. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Rainmaker original.
Dun 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 dun. Baby girl, I do anything for you. Yes, girl, I really do adore you. I would do anything you want me to. Yes, baby, it's true. I would do anything you want, man. Baby, get gone.
Rainmaker original.
Anything you want. This is what I got to do.
It's the last one in the block.
This is what I got to do. This is what I got to do. This is what I got to do. Ow. This is what I got to do. 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 Ow. This is what I got to do. 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 Ow. This is what I got to do. This is what I got to do. Ow. This is what I got to do. This is what I got to do. This is what I got to do.
Rainmaker original. I just say that. Rainmaker original. That's gonna basically be it for melodies on this block. I wanted to, I got like 2 or 3 more minutes left before I get the 15-minute mark. I want to say these melodies and music are my passion. They've been my passion. The only problem is throughout my whole life, people have stolen them, and for one reason or another, I haven't got the credit for these. Well, I finally did everything right. Okay, I keep my doors locked. Okay, I got a safe in my room. I even have a passcode on my computer, yet certain people keep breaking in. And they kept breaking in and supposedly put all my lyrics and melodies on the internet. Okay, and supposedly they're already in all kind of music as well. There's one artist in particular, that supposedly, used my lines and my melodies. All I can say is please don't let them do that to me. Please. I know I got a lot, okay, but I worked hard on these, okay? I deserve to be able to do the ones I want and to also, pick who I want to let have my other melodies or buy them. And this person, they didn't buy them. They're stolen, okay? Instead, this person pays people to break in my house and steal. It's not right, man. That person takes all my best melodies and my best lines and purposely used them. It's not right. Like I say, please don't let them do that to me. So like I say, I want America, please. I'm begging you, do not let them do that to me. Anyways, I'm gonna start Rainmaker out. Oh, I'm gonna stop.